In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a section perspective using the section box option of Revit. So when nothing is selected under the properties of the view, if you scroll down, actually, it's under section box, under extents. I want to check the box. If you zoom out, you're going to see that a box is added here. You can move the extents. I want the section perspective to cut both the building and the site, something like this. That's what I'm looking for. I can make it a bit narrower on the sides and on the back. It should be good. So what I would like to see here is how the topography and the building work together, and at the same time I want to have a perspective view. Okay, how about I make this a bit smaller, see how you can present it the best. If you are further interested, you can make it even more interesting by going with two sections at a time, perpendicular to each other, or it depends on your design whether it's gonna be a good idea or not. Or you can even show a section of your swimming pool, for instance, something like this. Okay, when you are done, you can try different visual styles from here. You can switch to hidden lines, see if that one is better or not. We can turn on the shadows. Okay, you can render it or not. That's again up to you and how it's gonna look better.